Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is write a program to replace one character with another character. Write a program to replace one character with another character of given string by using functions. Here I am taking one string. Here I am taking the string name is str, Here I am giving string is java, j a v a java space bar Pascal p space Pascal space Oracle. Next character is null character. Here another character is null character. The end, this one is the null character. Zero within the single quotes. So every array has some base address. Here I am taking the base address is 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518. So the array name is some name str. So array name is str. Next here we have to replace one character with another character. Here I am taking the one character. Here another character. This one is ch1 and then ch2. Here some addresses 600. Here 700. Here I am fixing small a value is, here small a can be replaced with small, I am taking star. So this is the given string. In the given string, whenever a is there, you have to replace that character with the star. Okay, this is our program. First, here the array name always gives base address of an array. Here str is of type char asterisk. This is the character. This is character address is char asterisk. Here str is which type of variable? Character asterisk. Character pointer variable. Char asterisk. First you have to check what is str. Str is 500. What is asterisk str? Asterisk str is str of 0. This one is 0. Index starts from 0. Next one is 1. Next one is 2. Next one is 3 and so on. This one is str of 0, str of 1, str of 2, str of 3. So asterisk str means 500. Asterisk means 500 address variable str of 0, str of 1, str of 2 and so on. Now first you have to take so 500. Here first you have to check. Here I am taking str star str. So better to take here. I am pointer name is str. Here I am assigning str value to pointer. Ptr is equal to some 500. Now ptr is 500. Asterisk ptr is 500 address variable. So str of 1 is equal to small a. If this condition is true, so if asterisk ptr value is equal to small a, then you have to replace asterisk ptr value with the star. Okay, first you have to check the ch1 value is a. So a value is equal to j. Condition true or false? False. Then you have to increment the pointer. Next ptr value is increment by 1. Now ptr value is pointing to 501. Now you have to check ptr is 501. Asterisk ptr is a. str of 1. This str of 1 value is equal to ch1. Small a is equal to small a. Yes, condition true. Then you have to replace this asterisk ptr value with ch2. Now you have to replace this value with star. Next, this pointer is incremented to, this point is incremented to 502. Now you have to check asterisk ptr value is equal to ch1. Condition true or false? False. Then you have to increment the pointer. Now the pointer is pointing to 503. Now what is the ptr? 503. What is asterisk ptr? This one. This value is equal to asterisk ptr is a. A is equal to A, yes, condition true. Now you have to replace this A with the star. Now you have to increment the pointer. Now we increment the pointer to this address. Now what is PTR? 504 asterisk PTR space. Space is equal to small a, condition false. Now you have to increment the pointer to next address. What is PTR? 505. What is asterisk PTR? P. P is equal to a, condition false. Now you have to increment the pointer to next address. So what is PTR? 506. What is asterisk PTR? A. So A is equal to A. Yes, condition true. Now you have to replace this value with the star. Now the PTR is pointing to next address. So PTR is 507. Asterisk PTR is S. So S is equal to A. Condition false. Then increment the pointer. Now the pointer is pointing to next 508. Asterisk PTR is C. C is equal to A. Condition false. Then you have to increment the pointer. So PTR is 504. Asterisk PTR is A. So A is equal to A. Yes, condition true. Here you have to replace this A value with asterisk star. Next PTR is increment to next address. Now PTR is pointing to 510. PTR is 510. Asterisk PTR is L. So L is equal to A. Condition true or false? False. Next you have to increment the pointer. Now the pointer is pointing to 511. Next this one is space. PTR is 511. Asterisk PTR is this variable is space. So space is equal to small a. Condition true or false? False. Next you have to increment the pointer. Next 512. PTR is 512. Asterisk PTR is this variable address. This variable value is O. So O is equal to small a. Condition true or false? False. Now I have to increment the pointer. So PTR is 513. Asterisk PTR is A. So A is equal to asterisk PTR is R. R is equal to small a. Condition true or false? False. Now I have to increment the pointer. So PTR is 514. Asterisk PTR is A. So A is equal to A. Yes, condition true. Here you have to replace A with star. Now you have to increment the pointer. So you have to increment the pointer. Next PTR is 515. Asterisk PTR is this variable. Give C. So C is equal to small a. Condition false. Next here you have to increment the pointer to PTR is 516. Asterisk PTR is this variable. Value is small l. So small l is equal to a. Condition false. Then increment the pointer. Increment the pointer to this location. 517. PTR is 517. Asterisk PTR is this variable replaced with E. E is equal to small a. Condition false. Then increment the pointer. Now the pointer is 518. So what is PTR? 518. Asterisk PTR is 0. Then condition false. You have to out of the loop. Now you have to check the addresses. Here you have to check every variable 0 to at the end of the loop. You have to check every character. Okay. So how to write? Here you have to write loop. So initial value, so asterisk PTR. First PTR value is 500. Next PTR plus plus. You have to check each if asterisk PTR value is equal to small a, then you have to replace asterisk PTR value with star. First starting PTR value is 500. The asterisk ptr value is this variable. This can be repeat up to the null character. This loop is repeated up to the null character. At the end, this is null value, condition false, then out of the loop. Okay, here we have to pass the address. This is called call by reference. What is the difference between call by value and call by reference? By using call by reference, you have to return more than one value. Indirectly, by using call by reference concept, here we are returning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values from this function to this string. So now we have to declare one string of size. Take one string and so alt F, new file, F2, F5, F2, save this file with replace .c, provide main. So first you have to take the string char str of some size 30 is equal to, here I am assigning Java space Pascal space Oracle. Next, clear the screen, CLR SCR to clear the screen. Next, you have to think about what is the, whenever we are writing the function, you have to every function has some return type, name of the function, and then parameters. Here the name of the function is string replacement, str replacement. Here I am passing str. In str we can replace small value with small a with star. This is called function calling. So you have to write the function definition. So return type is no return type, void. So function name is str replace. Now str is which type of variable? You have to mention the type. Type is, here str is a character array. So in str we can store the address. That means the character address. So str is char star. Here within the single quotes, a is which type? Char. Star is which type? Char. Now we have to take the variable names. Some variable name ptr, I am taking ptr, this one is ch1, ch2. In this str is copied into, so in function calling, first ch2 star is copied into ch2, a is copied into ch1, and str base address 500 is stored in ptr. Now you have to check first element is small a, ch1 or not. Okay, so for no initialization, ptr is 500, asterisk ptr is 500 address variable. Next you have to increment the pointer. If you have to check asterisk ptr value is equal to ch1, then you have to replace that asterisk ptr with ch2. So this is the function definition. We have to compile this code. Code is compiled. After execution of this function, you have to print the str. So puts of str. Okay, so code is alt F9 s. Function name is string replacement, str rep. Char asterisk ptr. Next, here you have to declare the alt F9 type mismatch in the declaration of string replacement. What is the function name? Str rep, char asterisk of str, char. First you have to declare the function. The function return type is void. The name of the function is str rep, type is char asterisk char. This is the function declaration. This is the function declaration. Okay. So please remember, whenever we are writing function definition, this is called function definition. Function definition, whenever we are writing function definition, before the function calling there is no need to declare. Declaration is optional. Whenever we are declaring function definition, at the end, then you have to declare that one, return type, function name, and then parameters. Okay. How to debug this code? So Windows, watch, debug, watches, remove all. Here I am adding str is one pointer address. This str address is copied into ptr. That's why here I am adding ptr. Next one is, so please remember, asterisk ptr always gives the value. Here I am showing asterisk ptr. Windows, watch, add watch, ch1, that should be replaced with ch2. So F7, Windows, watch. So str initial values is garbage values. Next, this can be replaced with Java space Pascal space Oracle. String replace. Now this is function calling. Then control goes to this function. So please remember, this str value is copied into ptr address. That means base address of an array. Ptr is first address j. Asterisk ptr is address variable j. Now you have to check asterisk ptr is j is equal to ch1. This condition failed. This statement is not executed. Now ptr is pointing to a. Now ptr is pointing to 501. 501. Now asterisk ptr is a. ptr is pointing to this address, asterisk ptr is a. This asterisk ptr is equal to ch1. Yes, condition true. This a should be replaced with star. Yes. Now you have to increment the pointer. Now the pointer is pointing to 502 v address variable. Now asterisk ptr is v. Now ch1 is a. This condition failed. This statement is not executed. Now the ptr is pointing to a. So asterisk ptr is a. A is equal to a. Yes, condition true. This a should be replaced with star. Now ptr is pointing to this address. Now asterisk ptr is space. The space is equal to small a. Condition failed. This statement is not executed. Next p. Next a, true. Next s, false. C, false. Next a, true. This a should be replaced with star. Yes. Next ptr is pointing to this one. Next l is equal to a. Condition failed. Next l. Next space. Next o. Next r. A. Next asterisk ptr is a. A is equal to a. Yes, condition true. This a should be replaced with star. Star. Next ptr is c. Failed. Next l. Failed. Next e. Failed. Next ptr value is null character. This condition failed, out of the loop. Next control goes to this statement. Now the str is, this is called call by, we are passing address. This is call by reference. By using call by reference, this function indirectly returns star 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 from this calling function to this function. So F7 Alt F5, it prints the value. Now so instead of assigning directly, here you have to scan these values from the keyboard, and then A and star also replay char declare two characters. You have to read these values. Printf /n enter string. So gets of str. Next you have to flush all, use flush all to enter is also one character. So clear the buffer, then enter /n enter ch1. So scan that value, scan %d %c for character comma address of ch1. Now you once again flush all function can clear the buffer. Once again printf enter ch2. Scan that value, scanf %c comma address of ch2. Here instead of a and star, here pass ch1 comma ch2. Same Alt F9, yes, Control F9, enter string Java space Pascal space Oracle. So replace small a with star. We will get the same Alt F5. So J star V star space Pascal. Okay. So any string SMR 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 education. Here replace S with M. Alt F5, you will get MMR education. Okay. So this is string replacement. So very important. Here understand the concept is very important. Here this one is the call by reference. By using call by reference, you have to return these values from calling function to called function. Still you have any doubts? Please refer once again. Thank you for watching.